and me. It's a very nice alto saxophone from Mr. Paul Williams. Well, there you go. You don't write them like that anymore, do they? Our next number is, as I said, from a musical. And this one came out in 1966 and was also made into a film later on. But a great version was recorded and often played by the wonderful Mr. Louis Armstrong. Had a hit with this one too in the same year, 1966. You can join in and sing along because we're not in the West End. You see, and it's permissible here, isn't it? So I'm sure you're going to know loads of the words of some of these songs. If you don't, you better hurry up and Google them. Not that they had that in 1966, did they? So here's a number then. It's the title number from the film Cabaret, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. What good is sitting alone in your room? Come hear the music play. Life is a cabaret, old chum. Come to the cabaret. Put down the knitting, the book and the broom. Time for a holiday. Life is a cabaret, old chum. Come to the cabaret. Come taste the wine. Come hear the band. Come blow your horn. Stop and celebrate. Like these radio tables waiting. Yeah, what good's permitting? Some prophet of doom to wipe every smile away. Yeah, life is a cabaret, old chum. Come to the cabaret. On piano, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Roland Perrin. Alto sax, Mr. Paul Williams, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Roland Perrin on piano. to wipe every smile